How you doing, folks? James Power here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. And today I have this absolutely gorgeous 162 BMW 4 Series 420D SE Gran Coupe. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in this Melbourne red metallic finish with the BMW angel eyes up front, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the front parking sensors. Come around to the side, you have the black vent, air vent, the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tires, the black trim surrounding the windows, the Gran Coupe badging on the side, the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 420D badging, the twin exhausts, the rear parking sensors, the rear LED tail lights. This car is also fitted with an automatic trunk. Just a simple click, hit the key fob and she'll pop right open. Also on board are collapsible rear seats to give you even more trunk space. And to close the trunk, just a simple touch of the button up there. Now folks, let's take a quick look at the interior and some of the spec on board this 4 Series. Now that we're inside, you can see the BMW multifunctional sport steering wheel. This car is fitted with a sports mode, comfort mode and eco pro mode. Also on board is the BMW teleservice with features such as radio, navigation, connective drive, vehicle information and many others. You've air conditioning, heated seats. The interior comes in a black Dakota sporty leather with a platinum trim finish. Fully electric windows, automatic headlights, automatic rain sensing wipers, 360-degree parking sensors. You have the automatic transmission, the BMW iDrive system to allow you to control the BMW teleservice. Also on board is the BMW SOS service system, the BMW pedestrian safety system and many other features. Now folks, that was just a quick look around this 162 BMW 4 Series 420D SE Gran Coupe. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. My name is James Power. Thank you very much for stopping by and I hope you enjoyed this video.